Hello crafty friends! My name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to my final video of March 2026. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what came in my P.O. box for the month. Many times these are SheetLoad examples, sometimes they're just because cards, but I always love to open them. If you're ever interested in sending in a card, my P.O. box address is toward the top of my description box below, and also in the description box is a link to the Show Us Your SheetLoad guidelines video. There are ways you can share your SheetLoad cards online, or you can send in one for the end of this month video, and that's going to give you some more details. I am pretty excited that I have a couple packages to open today besides the envelopes you see on screen, so let's go ahead and see what I received this month. Up first is this Sunny card from Caroline K. of California. She has used the March 2026 SheetLoad. I love how she has changed up the shape of the focal point and used a pattern paper for it. Reagan Z from Colorado sent me this beautiful card for Easter. I'm loving the pretty papers and the vintage focal image. I think this might be a take on the February 2021 SheetLoad. Janet B. from Montana sent me this fun card using the March 2026 SheetLoad. I'm loving the watermelon paper, especially the one in the background with the seeds. Barbara K. from California has also blessed me with a beautiful Easter card. I love that big bunny focal image and how she has rotated the March 2026 SheetLoad for her card. Jessica B. from California was the recipient of one of my crafty advent tags from the December series, and she sent me this bright and beautiful thank you card. You might know Jessica if you attended Paper Ganza last summer. She is the one who gave me my special prop for my character of Lou. Barb S. from Florida used the March 2026 SheetLoad for this pretty card. I am loving that background floral paper and the fun shape for her focal point. The next envelope came from Ellie Kate of North Carolina, and if you have been around here for a while, you might remember her as our teen card maker that I have gotten to share some of her cards during these videos in the past. Well, you guys, she is graduating, so congratulations. And fun news or awesome news, she is studying to be a nurse practitioner. Now, because I'm not sure if she's still a minor, I did blur out the pictures, but thank you, Ellie Kate, for sending this. I loved getting to read more about you, and good luck. Earlier this month, I put out a call to see if any of my viewers might have an extra ATG that they weren't using anymore. I know in the past I've had some of you say, oh, I have an ATG, but it's in the closet, I don't use it. Well, at Stamp Joy, Virtual Stamp Joy, I met up with some family and friends in Iowa, and we introduced, I'm going to say, quote unquote, my new niece to stamping and card making, and she fell in love, and we gave her many of our supplies and tools, but nobody had an ATG to share. So thank you to Lori Lou from Maryland for answering that call. Much appreciated. I know that she will love this. And speaking of Stamp Joy in Iowa, Carrie from Pennsylvania had reached out because she was one of the lucky customers who had won the chance to craft in store, and she was hoping we could meet up. Unfortunately, because of a death in the family, I couldn't have any extra time to go to Ankeny to do that, but she said she was going to send me something, and as soon as I opened the package and saw just that partial rainbow, you know that I was already in love. But you guys, check out the sweet shirt she made me. I am now known as the Advent Queen, and she has a rainbow, she has me in the bunny ears, she has icons for all of the different Advent seasons I have done an Advent calendar for, and this is just so precious. Now, she did send me 2 in different sizes. I am proudly going to wear the large one, but if one of you out there would like me to send you the extra large option, leave me a comment below. Make sure that it includes the hashtag Advent Queen. You do need to live in the United States just because of shipping costs, but I will draw somebody in April and mail this out. I love this Carrie, and I cannot wait to wear it. If you hadn't heard yet, the spring Advent or the Easter Advent calendar is behind, but I will definitely be wearing this in many probably of my Advent videos in the future. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you so much to everyone who took the time to send in a card this month. As I opened each of them, I seriously had the biggest smile on my face. I love to see them and read your notes. Congratulations to Ellie Kate on her upcoming graduation. And thank you so much to Carrie for the wonderful, awesome, stupendous t-shirts, and to Lori Lou for helping, I'm going to call her my honorary niece, get started in her crafting journey. I know that she's going to really appreciate that. Until tomorrow, when I will be back with a brand new sheet load of cards, no fooling, even though it's April 1st. I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.